Maayong buntag, guys! Good morning! Chika, anong sabihin?
Mayang buntag.
Yay! So, today is the day, you guys, ng aming family portrait. As you can see, everything is laid out for everyone. Ito na yung susuotin namin ngayon. But first, up! No, we don't touch people's bag. Please, let's go eat na. Go na. Ikaw ba? Ikaw, you need to excuse. Mao nitong May, itong manok gikan sa bukid. Yes. Alright guys, time check natin, alas 8 na. Everyone is changing. Maaga ako nagising ngayon pero I had to edit some videos and naligo na si Kahil, inayusan ko na yung buhok niya. Medyo nahirapan ako ng konti kasi maliit na yung maiksi na yung hibla ng hair niya. Si Calvi, si Chico okay lang kasi ganyan na talaga yung hairstyle nila. Alas 8, wala pang sapatos si Mama. Patay. So, nilayout ko na lahat ng mga damit at sapatos na susuotin. Photographer will come about 9:30 a.m. Time check ngayon, mag-alas 8:30. Hindi pa ako nakapag-prepare kasi inuuna ko yung mga bata. And then, no, we're not going somewhere. We're going to see your cousin. So, maligo, mag-toothbrush, magpabango, mag-vaseline. You're naked. Mag-vaseline your legs, your arms, your face. Go and shower now. Call me when you're ready for the hair. Go. Chico, go and call me when your hair... Di ba sabi ni Mama mag-shower ka muna, then you can get the
But I
clothes.
want to put my clothes there. I'm preparing it. And then what? Hey, move please.
Ay, gisabit pa talaga sa pinto. Okay. So, magbibihis lang sila para ako naman yung mag-aasikaso sa sarili ko. Sige na, Albi, you can change. You have your underpants, Kahil? Ha? Kahil, may underpants ka na? Hi, Chico! Si Chico talaga ang pinakamatigas.
Yeah, di ba? Sabi mo ako ang quiet and hindi noisy. Then si Chico ang stubborn. Hey, Calvi.
And me too.
Yeah, you're the stubborn.
Oh, sige, Colby.
Sino stubborn?
Because when I fast, you were like,
I will start counting, Chico. 10. If I don't see you in the shower by 5. 9. 8.
Not even say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I love you. 7. Remove the clothes.
Good morning.
6.
Where's my shirts? Stop counting.
Okay, I will stop counting na. Kyle, dito ka, Kyle. Your clothes are there.
Everything is easy as it sounds. Decorate.
Kyle,
Wait, can I see
what's
the
wrong?
I can't find any
Check there in the basket.
underwear. All the clothes I couldn't even.
How about the laundry? Ask May daw.
Decorate everything.
Maganda yung guys, maganda yung quality ng barong kasi hindi na kailangan hindi kailangan magsuot ng sando sa loob. Ang pangit tingnan pag may sando, by the way. Never ko nagustuhan yung barong Tagalog dahil lang sa sando sa loob o yung t-shirt sa loob. Kasi yung tela ng barong Tagalog, makati siya, 'di ba? So, tiis-tiis muna ang lahat.
Decorate everything. Another dandy thing. Let's
Akin na.
not put this one.
So, hindi ako pumili ng black na tela. Hindi ko pinili yung black na tela, guys, kasi sa pantalon, kasi para siyang magbubuan ng wika. Para siyang mag-a-attend ng UN Congress. So, ang pinili ko is itong parang khaki siya, para medyo modern type. And then, they're going to be with these shoes. Yan.
Then can I keep wearing this to morning's house?
Not really. Chico, sige na, nak.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Bobby. That's so cute. What about my socks?
It's here. Okay, put it on.
But mommy, look, my feet is long already.
Dalian na ba?
Mommy, look at my feet.
Sige na. Nak. Okay, the shoes you can put on by yourself. Okay, check. Time check. 8:32 guys, bilis. 8:32 na. Kahil. 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 Si Kahil na yung next guys. Ito naman kay Kuya Kahil. Again, shout out sa the Debishin for the rental clothes ng mga anak ko. Here, pants first. That's okay na. You are all shiny. Yan yung buhok ni Kahil. Kahil, look here. Nice. Nakulot ko na yung hair niya. The hair looks very nice. Ayun pang isa. Bilis na, bilis na. Ma, start na pod ka, ma. Alright. So, nag-change na din si Kuya Kahil. Sapatos, medyas. Sapatos, medyas, check.
Ako siyang Puyoy.
Ha? Ako'y isang Pinoy. Say.
Isang Pinoy.
Wow. Again, say properly here, oh. 1, 2, 3. Ako'y isang
Ako ay isang Panoy.
Panoy, Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Good job. High five. Go. Kahil, your top. Wala, gyapon siya naligo. Si Chico pa din yung hindi naliligo, guys. Anong oras na? 8:34 na. Wala pa din siyang ligo. Balikan man ang luhat. Ikaw lang paborito kong desisyon at... Slowly lang. Heto tayo. Hanggang sa muli. Panangin. Palim sa yakap mo.
I'm back, Mom.
Hi. Ay! No, not here kay your toy. Go get underpants. Underpants ni Chico. Ay, naligo na siya. Wala pa. Wala pa. Ay, Chico. Sapatos mo.
Let me brush my teeth first. Let me brush my teeth.
Okay, guys. Kailangan natin backupan si Chico kasi tumatakbo yung oras, hindi pa siya nakaligo.
What do you have to do that?
Be.
Oh, because I'm big, diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I use underarms here.
That. That's for Kahil man, hindi for you. Be. This one. No, the other one.
Double baby.
Okay, put on. Be. Bilis. Yeah.
What's this stuck, Mom? What's this blocking my feet?
Okay, another one. Bilis. Come closer. Yeah. This one.
Okay.
Gwapo ni Chico. Chico so gwapo. Chico ano? Chico ano?
Gwapo.
So gwapo. Mami lang yan. Saan ang shoes mo? Ah. Huwag na siya magmedyas. Buhok niya ba? Pa-electric fanan mo muna. Pangit tingnan, basa. Handsome. Show them some handsome stuff.
Eternity later.
Okay guys, tapos na lahat. Time check natin. It is 8:44. It's my turn to prepare. Let's go. So, for my outfit, I'm having this and this and whatever shoes I can get. Let's go. Nakapagbihis na tayo pero hindi pa tayo nakapag-set up talaga. But mayroon akong problema sa damit ko. As you can see, dapat sleeve may strap siya. Kaso yung pagkatahi, hindi siya nagkasya sa aking arms, sa aking kilikili. So, finhold ko na lang siya para maging tube top. Para na siyang tube dress. And then, pinatungan natin. And then, let's go start. Tara. So, dito tayo. Busy ang lahat. Si Bunny din. Busy sa buhok ni Mayumi. Dito tayo. Si Mama din. Busy sa buhok niya. Pamalhal lang para ano. Sige lang, di man na maklaro. Ang alin? Ha? Bakit? Mamaya na kay busy pa. Diyan yan, isaksak sa kwarto ni Mama, tapos iharap mo kay Mayumi. Ko lang yung buhok ko. Soft curl lang talaga siya, hindi masyadong ano. Para lang wavy kind of thing. I have like 20 minutes left. Ayan na guys si Bunny. Mga 30 minutes na siya nandyan sa buhok ni Mayumi. So, ganyan po yung sitwasyon ng buhok ni Mayumi pag kinukulot siya pag may special event. Kailangan pa konti-konti lang siya. So, it will take 30 minutes to 1 hour. So, para mag-behave si Mayumi, binigyan lang siya ng kanyang bebe fin para hindi siya mairita na si Bunny ay nagtatrabaho ng kanyang hair. Paki-close yung toilet natin, gang. So, feeling ko tamang-tama lang naman yung oras ko, guys. Ay, sorry. Malug pa. Ombade, bam, bam, ombade. Buti nandyan si Ate May, tsaka si Bunny nag-back up. Kasi mahirap pag ako lang lahat, hindi ko naman kaya. So, ano lang natin siya, random kulot. May, paabot nga ako ng phone ko muna gang nasa bedroom, yung isang phone. Yung watermelon, mugod na yellow, ang ginamin ko. Cellphone na yellow. Tsaka yung ipit sa hair ko dyan. Parang hindi ko feel yung yung earrings na white. Parang gusto ko siyang palitan ng gold. Parang hindi siya bagay. I was thinking na i-half updo ko yung hair ko ng ganyan. Pero parang may mali. Parang hindi bagay. So, yung ipit sa buhok na gold. Ayaw lang. Parang feeling ko dapat, ano pa siya, stretch out. Alright guys, andito na si Miss Cha. She will be the one taking our photo for today. So si Miss Cha, guys, photographer siya based in General Santos City. Taking family photos, portraits, events, kahit ano. I'm going to add her contact number na lang. Sa episode na to, again, Jensen based. Jensen based ka lang, Miss Cha, no? Jensen based si Miss Cha. Siya din nagkuha ng pictures kay Chico nung birthday niya. And this time, first time ever, she's going to take the photo for the family. So, eto, sobrang excited talaga ako nito, guys. Kay first time gagawin sa bahay namin to remind me of this house na para sa mga anak ko. So emotional. And there they are, getting ready. So, again, for this family portrait, we are going to do modern barong and Barong Tagalog and Modern Filipiniana theme. Wow, you look like a doll. Oh, saan ka? Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hold this one.
What's the weather today,
Malapit ka
Mayumi?
naman.
What's the weather today?
See?
What's the weather today?
Sabi ko yan lumulot si Fred.
Wow, pretty Mayumi. Wow, I love your hair. Go na tayo sa store ni Lola, Be.
Yay!
Oh, everybody will smile. Will go with me. Okay?
Hello,
Si Chico ba?
it's me.
I think number one is Calvin. Alam mo si Calvin nakikinig yan. Alright.
Hello, mic check, mic check. Boom!
Ban, behind the seat. Ilaw, hindi na kailangan yung lamp. Pasiga daw ang suga, Ban. May gunting daw yun ni Mama. Yung lamp. May white. Parang tikwi siya, Ban. Parang pahiga yung lamp. Parang hindi balance.
Stop. Put your hand away.
Chico, give me the hammer. Let's sit there. Come here. Dito tayo, love. Here. Everyone here.
Biga boo. Okay, again.
Ayusan sa pikas cortina ba? Kato.
Transfer na to ang kani.
Transfer ang tanong diri ban. Okay na ba ni I push pa? Sige pa. Now sa ayusan ang cortina diri nga side ha.
Like a princess. Mom, her dress is dirty. It's been...
Okay, are you ready?
Okay lang ang buhok, ma.
Oo. Ma'am, balin siguro si Chico diri gihapon.
Chico,
Kay
swap.
gamay mo siya.
Swap lang kayo kay smaller ka. Sige na. Okay.
Please.
No, I'm not gonna squeeze you. Come. Okay. Hide this one. Hide lang. I'll give it to you. Hide lang.
There's more space here.
Sit down. Dahil
More
mo.
space.
Chico,
Chico.
remember what mommy said? If you behave, good job. Masyado malayo.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yes!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more time.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Say mais.
That Chico, sit properly.
Di ba mais means corn?
Yes. Okay, you do the hug na po.
Okay.
Yan.
Come closer.
Closer pa, closer. Yan, good job. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Cutie. Okay, one more time. Okay, another one. cute ba? Nice na ang ano, ma'am. Oh. Gusto mo makita, ma'am?
Yes.
Para ma...
Oh, you see your photo? Yeah, sure. Here. You smile nicely, ha? So mommy can make it so big. Nag-smile sila. May mga pictures na sila. Smile sila lahat.
Okay. Closer lang again. Yan, okay.
Ano siguro natin, what if si Kahil medyo
Dire, sige
isa
pwede.
sa taas,
Sige daw.
likod. Ay, ma'am, here na, dito ka daw nako sa corner.
Here?
Tapos, mami, okay. Kalo dyan ka. Sit ka dyan. Like, big boy yan. Tapos, Kalbi ka. Dito ka.
What
Sige, come here.
It's okay.
No, mami, yan na. Yan na. Dito ka, Kalbi. Okay. Closer, Kalbi.
Closer, baby.
Okay. Yes, this is yours. Wait lang. I will hold you. Okay, ready?
Okay, are you
How about
ready,
this
guys? Are you ready?
No.
Okay,
Are you ready?
Smile nicely.
Smile.
Wow, smile you, me.
One
Me,
more.
smile.
Wow, this is so nice.
Wow. Smile, Mimi.
Ano,
Yeah.
mga princess?
Ah,
Ay, naarang ka kasi.
1, 2, 3.
Go. One more time. Palingkuro na po nato siya niya.
Wow. Smile. Wow, pretty. Mimi, be, wow. Ay, bye, man.
Oh, what happened? Come to mama. Come to mommy. Come.
Ay, ang tiri.
Ay,
sorry.
Naipit ni Kuya. Sorry.
Come to mommy. Come.
Sorry. Off,
Oh, okay. Sorry. Bebe.
off lang, off.
Chico.
Okay. No more na.
Oh, lula na. Someone is gonna lose their 30 minutes in Nintendo. Sige. Okay ka. Dito ka. Sit beside mama. Si Calvin na lang dito.
Yeah.
Oh, dali. Sit dali. Like, Calvin's coming. No, this is for Mayumi. Okay.
Yan. Good job.
Ano man? Sa mukha ni mo na. Uy.
Oh, sige, pasag mo siya. Sa siya naglingkod.
Klaro akong damit na.
Chico.
Chico, na.
Poor Chico. One more time. You do the hug again. 1, 2, 3. Nice one. Okay. So, Mommy and Kuya.
Mami and Kuya, you go muna. You can smile. You rest muna. Ban.
Ay, si baby na lang, ma'am. Si baby na lang sa. Siya na lang sa.
Oh, Lola, babay na Lola.
Lola na lang.
Sit muna on the white crab. Sit on the white crab. Where's my Yumi here? Where's my Yumi here? Wow, pretty.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Geronimo!
Cutie.
Picture tayo, Mami. Last one. Wait lang.
Okay.
Okay, nice. It's cute. Where's the lollipop? Mami lang. Alvin na lang. Mamaya. Sino lang? Chico lang. Kahil na lang, Kuya Kahil.
Nakuha.
Nakuha na sila tulo, nakuha na upat. Sumama na lang sila. Sorry.
Okay na. Lola na.
Bye, smile.
Pwede na diri ay. Ipaayos lang kayo.
Move your feet.
Ay, Chico mo po na.
Diyan lang.
May birapa ka dyan.
Yan. Bungkag.
Kaya, ga-recording mo dyan, ma'am?
Oo. Gisibog na ko ganina kay
Okay
wala
lang.
na nakita.
No problem. Okay, next. We'll be sitting on the floor.
Okay ra siguro ma'am no kani ipako na to ni
Asa?
kani ma'am po.
Oo. Iba tong asa. Okay.
Asang wala is paliog ko.
Kami picture mga 20 minutes na siguro. Ang hirap kayo nag-tantrum sa mga bata. Pero ganun talaga mga bata. Guys, hindi ko to first time. So, kapag yung photographer hindi pasensyoso at walang pakialam sa customer, mag-click-click-click lang. Wala palang maganda na picture. So, dapat, kaya pagka every family photo, nagapili talaga ako ng photographer na patient ba. Tsaka yung gusto niya, maganda talaga yung outcome. Kaya pag yung mga photographer na walang pakialam, guys, promise ko sa inyo, 75 ka shot, puros pangit. Promise. So, hindi pa kami tapos. Magkakaroon kami ng floor shot. Let's go. Come, let's go!
Bye-bye.
Oh, ayan na.
Alright, ban, ha? Sit on the mat. Huwag na. Yan o, yung ito ba? Or yung isa? Ito? Square lang. Ay! Here! There is a lang. Okay.
It's crumpled.
Okay lang tayo. Ban lang. Dito ka, baby.
Your hair.
Everyone sit on the mat. Then na.
Carefully, Chico. Sit carefully.
Ako, di ba?
Ano?
Kami muna.
Hindi na.
Come!
Din na.
Chico, sit and lie down. Dahil ka man lang dito kay mama. Sit down, boy.
It's crumpled.
Oh, sige. Move.
Oh, dito ka dali. Akin na yung chocolate na yung isa. Cross your legs, Calvi. Cross your legs.
Atras daw konti, ma'am princess.
Yan. What did you say?
Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Ha, ha, ha. La.
Hala! Ha, 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 Open your mouth and you laugh. Like this. Ha, ha, ha,
Chocolate. Hello.
Go ahead.
Smile.
Ang kay mama manggod nga photo sis, ipa-print ako ka ani murag pito ka buo ko long. Kaya hatag na ko sa
Baliktad daw ba?
Baliktad daw. Bakit ning baliktad?
Ipakon niya pa ng na-design, ma'am.
Na-design.
Kanang mais.
Ay, okay. Dito ka, ikaw sa ato ba? Yan. Pasit ka lang daw kuya dito. Kay Chico.
Yan.
Handsome
Okay,
na.
Nara, na kayo ng mood na. Calvi, smile.
And years later.
Hands, no hands. Put your hands down. Hands on the knees. Hands on the knees.
One more time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Say bebe fin.
Bebe
One more time.
Bebe
Cutie.
Okay. Turn around.
Okay. This time, need to hug your mommy and Lola, okay?
Come hug mommy and Lola.
Agay. 1, 2, 3. Hug.
Come hug Lola.
Hug na Lula. Ah, no more Lula na. Oh, hug Lula na.
1, 2, 3. Kiss Lola. Kiss Lola and mommy. Lola pa.
Nice. Cutie.
pag-aagan niya.
Okay, that's the
Uy, hindi yan sa'yo. Alright. Nakunan mo yun ba ng reels? Opo. Opo, anong earrings mo?
Oh, kayo rin na.
Oh, Lola, Lola.
Ay, na-picture na kay Lula.
Tapos may card.
Ha?
Cute card. Pang boys ang toys.
Okay. Okay, tago na.
Di pa na kayo mag-picture si Lula.
Get away, girl, get away.
Chico, get out!
Get out, get out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Come here! Come!
Get tayo nyo.
Okay, ready?
What's this? Strawberry.
Okay, smile na kayo. Okay, go.
You do the fist bump.
Chico.
Yan, good job.
Fist bump, not high five.
Fist bump lang. Fist bump. 1, 2, 3, go.
Fist bump daw.
You stay lang.
Okay, up. Don't move. Pretend that you don't move when you fist bump. Fist bump, don't move, and smile. Smile, smile. Okay.
Nice. Again with the 3 boys, babe.
Three boys na na. You go. Go, 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 go.
Yes, 5
Nakapagod na si Mayumi.
Ano yun na every time? Sing up, baby siya. Kaya. Chico, go na. Okay. Oh, my best friend. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ready? 1, 2,
Give
3.
free lang, Kuya Kyle. Give free lang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Back straight, back straight. Kyle, be free with your brothers ba? Yung lang shield lang. Shield.
Yan. Smile.
Smile. No hands, Chica, no hands. Just handsome face.
Nice.
Remove your hands on his face na.
Cutie. So, pagtaas yan eh.
Baan na. Okay.
Lahig pa mo di mo ang tripod sa ko.
Gani. Okay, kayo ka.
Chico, move, Chico.
Dere? Oh, yan. Ano siya ako?
Ano,
Oo, patangkad siya. Natangkad na siya.
Ready?
Ano ba?
Ready,
Ano
and...
na. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Oh no. You're so big na.
Sino? Bless, Mami Wiwi. Saan Mami Wiwi?
Oh, I like your barong Tagalog.
Girintahan bito, gitulog pa.
Ah.
Hug, Mami
Oh,
Wiwi,
where
hug.
you going? It seems like you go to church.
No, he's going to run as a mayor.
You're a mayor?
I know.
You're a congressman. Eh, si madam ano, balita. Okay, who wants ice cream?
Namiss yun nila.
Okay, sit down.
Namiss yun nila.
Kuha ice cream sa ref gang, tong ube gang.
Magpalit ako ulit siya manok. O, di na.
Yan na, oy. Isda lang to. Yan na lang siya.
Isa na.
Tara dito tong ube ice cream.
A few moments.
Sabi guys, mayong hapon, para kaming gibugbog guys. Hindi kayo makapaniwala, para kaming puspusan sa fraternity. Grabe ang tulog namin pagkatapos ng photoshoot. Siguro kay maaga kami nagdating. Tapos, eto kasi yung isa sa pressure ko ngayong linggo talaga. Itong family portrait namin. Nagkaroon pa ako ng pimple. Ayan o. So, bagong gising kami, sana wala kaming mga muta. Kyle, did you sleep? I slept like a log. Yeah. Let me see that hair of yours, babe. You can still curl it. It's so cool.
I don't want to cry anymore. It will be painful. I know.
Was it painful when I did it today?
Yes, but I kept my mouth quiet.
No.
I would have, in my head, I could have just said, "Mom, ouch!" You would tell me just a little bit, sige.
How dare you talk to me like that? Look at Calby's laughing. So, andito kami sa bahay ni Madam Ten Gibbs, guys, kasi kami kakain together ng dinner. But first things first, bibili ako ng lechon manok para sa mga bata. And susunduin natin si Ate Ashley kasi they will spend time together. Kaya, let's go. So, ngayon tayo mag-drive na kabarong Tagalog. Naka-Pilipinyana, guys. Kaya, tara. Alright, guys. Finally, ang tapos din ng araw natin. Grabe ang struggle with capital letter S. But finally, natapos din ang ating family portrait. And as you can see, guys, nakapapilipinyana pa tayo. Kagirintahan ko man ito, guys, nung nagbayad man tayo ng pera. Suotin natin matulog, suotin natin magkain, suotin natin maglibang. Ayan pa si Kuya Kahilo. Oh.
Hello.
Eh, hindi ko talaga sila pinabihis kasi sabi ko, okay lang, ito na suotin natin the whole day. Bahala Makati and all. Basta, paldo tayo sa rent. Anong klaseng mindset yun? But this is how it looks, guys. Hindi nakagkaroon ng glimpse. This is modern Filipiniana. Meron siyang sleeve, meron siyang strap, pero gifold ko siya para maging tube dress kasi hindi nagkasya sa akin yung tinahi nila na strap. And etong aking bolero Filipiniana na modern is, ano lang siya guys, cover.
It looks like Shaoli from Street Fighter.
Oh, really? Pero dapat close talaga yan siya dito. Kaso masyado po akong feeling ko masyado siyang masikip. Masikip, parang naalibadbaran ako kaya binuksan ko siya and then in-open up ko siya konti. Bedroom, boss Chin, bedroom, everyone. Kahil.
Everyone?
Chico, boss, Chico.
Ay, that's Ashley's, right? No, it's not mine. Okay, I'll get yours.
Kanino yan? But anyway, would I say it was a successful photo shoot? Yes, it was. Malapit siya maging guys, maging miserable kasi grabe ang tantrums. Si Mayumi grabe ang tantrums, ayaw magpahawak sa iba. Si Chico napagod na after 20 minutes. Si Calby napagod na din after 30 minutes pero nakaya ko pang pakiusapan. Si Kuya Kahil less of my problem kasi si Kuya Kahil naman ay nakakaintindi at naka-mindset na kami, no? Pero yung mga bata, kahit i-mindset mo yan guys, talagang ang hirap nilang pakiusapan. Pero talagang naitawid namin ng isang oras at kalahati na photoshoot. Ang part ni Mama, very successful. Anong part ang challenging? Hindi yung pagdadamit, hindi yung pagbibihis, hindi yung preparation, kundi yung mismong photoshoot session. Yun yung pinaka talaga kasi siya very unexpected. Hindi mo malalaman kung anong yung mangyayari. Pwedeng magmaoy yung mga bata. Kahil, huwag lagi ganyan na game. Pwedeng mag-iyakan, pwedeng talagang sobra. Tiniming ko yung oras, alas 9, kasi sabi ko by 10 dapat matulog na si Mayumi. And hindi nyo siya nakita sa reels natin today na nakapilipiniana kasi nga sobrang inaantok talaga siya after ng photoshoot. Kaya hindi siya nakasama sa mga TikTok namin. Pero I'm very happy na naitawid natin yung photoshoot. Something that I was looking forward to kasi nga sobrang excited ako na gagawin namin yung family portrait namin on the 3rd year na nakatira kami sa bahay na talagang ginapang ko para sa mga anak ko. So it makes me very emotional just looking at the videos, and also I would love to make that a very big photo para sa bahay. If you're going to ask me, it was a sponsor. Ayan, sponsor po yung aming mga damit. Partly kasi binigyan kami ng discount. Maraming salamat. Debbie Sheen, General Santos City. Maraming salamat sa aming photographer. Maraming salamat kay Miss Charis ng General Santos City. Again, ilalagay ko na lang yung details niya sa description down below in case you wanna check it out. And you're looking for a very patient, very fun, very understanding na photographer for your family, for your children, for events, check the description box down below. You guys, tawagan niyo siya directly para makapag-booking kayo. She's amazing. Hindi po ako basta-basta photographer. I have bad experiences with different studios dito sa Jensen. Just because they are very impatient, they are rude, they are not family friendly, they only care about the shots but they don't care about the quality of the photos. The kids are all grumpy, they're not happy, I'm not happy. In the end, pagkakuha ko ng picture, lahat tapon. Okay? So, I don't want to name names, but there's a lot of experiences ng mga studio dito sa General Santos City na kanselado. At hindi ko talaga i-recommend. But when it comes to photographer, I recommended last year yung nag-photo sa amin. Tammy Brillones, I think, Brillones. And then also this year kay Ma'am Charis Sempron, maraming salamat po. Again guys, I highly recommend these photographers para sa mga bata. Alam ko mahirap magpa-picture at ayaw niyong ma-disappoint when it comes to... Okay, go. Bedroom na ni Boss Jean. Go, bedroom ni Boss Jean. Diba sabi ko wag na mag-shout. Bedroom na, bedroom. Boss Jean. I will follow. Go.
Mom, Colby.
Calby, bedroom ni Boss Jean. Yes, contact them guys. And then talaga magkakaroon kayo ng magandang shots. Kamusta naman yung napili kong theme? Pinagsisihan ko ba? I did not. I really love the fact that we chose the modern Barong Tagalog and Modern Filipiniana. Everything worked out so well. Everything looked very nice. Nagustuhan ko yung sapatos ng mga bata, yung pants nila, bumagay sa Barong Tagalog nila. It's amazing. Etong earrings ko nga pala, big shout out. This is an old earrings na nakita ko. Ayan, nabili ko lang to yata to sa Thailand eh. Pero lumang earrings ko na to guys. Talagang nagkataon lang na may pearl siya. So I used it. I did not do any makeup. I did my hair. Ang makeup ko wala. Blush on lang at saka lipstick. Yun lang. Dalawa lang. Yeah. I hope the final photos will turn out really good. I'm very excited. Ay! I said hands off. No, hands off. Calby, bedroom ni Boss Jean now. So, yes, kakain na ako ng dinner guys and then uuwi na kami sa bahay kasi nagpa-schedule ako ng massage para kay Kuya Kyle para ma-relax naman siya bago ang kanyang pagbalik sa Thailand. Hindi ko na talaga mapipigilan. His dad wants him back and he has a lot of things as well to do there. At para may panahon pa siyang magpahinga bago siya sumabak ulit sa training. Again, maraming salamat. Let me know what you think of this episode, you guys. Let me know if anong comment niyo, kahit anong i-comment niyo, i-comment niyo sa baba. Magulo din po yung photoshoot. Maraming baka pag nakita niyo yung picture parang madali lang, parang smooth lang, parang peaceful lang. Pero actually, magulo din siya. May point na parang gusto kong mag-give up, gusto kong mairita, gusto kong magalit sa mga bata. But pag nasira ang mood nila, masisira yung mood ko. So, nobody's going to win. But anyway, dagang salamat everyone. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Much love again and I'll see you guys on the next one. Huwag niyo kaming iwan sa kwento ng aming buhay. From Uganda, Africa, from Tindera sa Africa to Princess Higa, dito sa General Santos City, buhay namin sa Pilipinas. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love!